Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard to Popalik Airline. Thank you for choosing us today to fly to wherever you go. Now you book your ticket, you must know where you go today. But thank you for choosing us. But before we take off, there's a few announcements me have to make. The first one is for your safety. If for any reason the pilot know we might do sometime, so if for any reason, the plane start do some unusual things, or if the pilot just fall asleep and way again, you need to look under your seat. When you look under there, you won't see nothing. Me don't know why all these other airlines tell you to look under your seat, because there is nothing under there. What you need to do is you need to start pray. Start pray so you're gonna make it out here today, right? And any exit you say you can exit through your plane, go. There's enough window on each side of the plane. There's some emergency doors, but I see some few oversized people on the plane today, so me don't really know how much we are gonna fit through the door them. So any window you see free, try broke it and break through it, yeah? But another announcement that me have to make is the seat belt sign. When una say the seat belt sign, una fi sit down, right? No turn up. Me no care if you want go toilet. Me no care if you pitney a cry. Una fi sit down, right? So if una want poop, una fi wallet. If una want dodo, una fi control it. And if you don't want pee-pee, suck it in and a squirty. Just wait your time, alright? There's nothing me can do. Sit down and enjoy the ride. Alright? And one next thing I want to talk about, right? You see when me I come with the food, you fi start watch me like fly, Stop watch me, right? Make batter lip drop down to your foot and I look like a hungry dog. Listen, no look pan me so, right? No look pan me so. Me I come. When me come to you, you tell me what you want. Alright? Me people then someone come around with the menu. But as of that, no look pan me like no eat for days. Me know no have breakfast this morning. Right? Me say enough for in the airport this morning I eat breakfast. So no bother with it. But me hope enjoy a flight. If for any reason any of you have any question, now ask me. Cause me no know answer. If you don't know answer, me for no answer. Right? But apart from that, enjoy your flight with Popalik Airline. Thank you.